Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Aloha, food lovers. Today we're diving into Squid Luau, a beloved Hawaiian classic. This dish is pure comfort, featuring incredibly tender squid cooked down with taro leaves, all bathed in a luscious, creamy coconut milk sauce. It's wonderfully savory, with a subtle sweetness, and truly embodies the spirit of island cuisine. Get ready to create a truly authentic taste of Hawaii right in your own kitchen. Gathering your ingredients is straightforward for this wonderful dish. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh squid. Make sure it's cleaned well or plan to clean it yourself. Next, source a good bunch of young taro leaves, sometimes called luau leaves, which give the dish its unique texture. Finally, grab 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk for that rich, velvety finish. A touch of salt will balance all these incredible flavors beautifully. Now let's get those hands busy with some essential prep work. First, meticulously clean your squid, pull out the clear quill, remove the guts and discard the ink sac, then slice the bodies into rings. For the taro leaves, wear gloves if you wish, then boil them vigorously for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step neutralizes compounds that can cause itchiness, making them safe and wonderfully tender for cooking. Don't skip it. With prep done, it's time for the magic to happen. In a heavy-bottomed pot, layer your cleaned squid, then the boiled taro leaves and pour in both cans of coconut milk. Stir everything gently to combine, ensuring the leaves are mostly submerged. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, covered, for at least 2 hours, stirring occasionally. The squid will become incredibly tender, and the leaves will melt down into the rich sauce, creating a wonderful depth of flavor. Your homemade squid luau is now ready to be savored. Spoon generous portions over fluffy, steamed white rice, letting the creamy sauce soak into every grain. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning with salt if needed, maybe even a tiny pinch of sugar to round out the flavors. This comforting, rich, and truly authentic Hawaiian dish is best enjoyed slowly, perhaps with family and friends. Mahalo for cooking with us.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.